2018 is a revolutionary year for the ventilation and air filtration systems industry. Today, thanks to the UNI EN ISO 16890, we can finally count on a single standard recognized and approved by all the world countries. A global system, therefore, which has the credit of having introduced stricter and more specific tests and evaluation parameters. In fact, whereas the old systems overestimated the actual action of the filter by testing it only on particles with a 0.4 micron size, the new standard measures the efficiency on a much wider range, from 0.3 to 10 microns, and the classification considers the minimum efficiency between the initial one and the efficiency measured after the elimination of the electrostatic charge, which must be greater than or equal to 50%. The innovation of the standard is the possibility to classify the filters based on the aerosol size distribution, which is used as a reference. This allows to evaluate the choice of more suitable filters according to the actual contamination of the place and the level of particulate to be managed. Thanks to its unique characteristics, the expansion electronic electrostatic filter obtained the UNI EN ISO 16890 certification. In particular, the filter has proven to maintain its efficiency unchanged even during the elimination of the electrostatic charge. The test, according to UNI EN ISO 16890, was performed at 3,400 cubic meters per hour with a 4 meters per second airspeed velocity. The comparison with a middle-size air handling unit equipped with pocket filters before and electrostatic filters later proves the advantages by using the electrostatic filters. The pocket filters compared to the electrostatic filters due to the stricter parameters on pressure drop will need to be replaced more frequently, increasing the maintenance costs. The expansion electronic electrostatic filter guarantees operational longevity, low pressure drop and energy saving by reducing the costs of management and maintenance. Performance, reliability and regeneration for maximum filtration efficiency.